Can you believe that came out of the air fryer? Wow. Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather, and today's adventure is country-style ribs in the air fryer. Now, this is a bone-in or boneless recipe, and it is phenomenal. We are gonna have perfect ribs in just under 40 minutes. Are you ready for this adventure? I know I am. Let's go. Okay, those of you who are hankering for getting outside and getting to your barbecue, but you are covered in snow or freezing rain, this recipe is for you. Now, this is super easy, and if you are a fan of doing ribs on the barbecue outside and you have your favorite kind of rub, go ahead and use that rub. But I'm just going to tell you what I'm going to do today. All of the recipe totals will be in the info of this video, but you can always find it at www.adventuresinEverydayCooking.com. So what we're going to do here is we have a whole bunch of country-style bone-in ribs. If you're using boneless, you're just going to decrease your time 5 minutes both times, but bone-in, you just increase it 5 minutes. So it's pretty easy. So into this bowl, we are going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder, some salt and pepper, and some smoked paprika. And I'm just going to whisk that together just a bit. And now our rub is done. Now we're going to get our air fryer started. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat this for 5 minutes at 380. Next, I'm going to oil my tray. If you are using a different air fryer other than the Pampered Chef Deluxe air fryer, you would just spray the bottom of your basket. We just don't want stuff to stick. And I have 2 trays here, and it's just sitting on my non-stick drip tray. So I'm just gonna spray it really well. So we're gonna stick that right up here, and all we're going to do is we are going to rub our rub onto all of our pieces. So, and we're gonna place these pieces bone side down on our rack here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rub, and you're gonna watch it probably in fast forward. All right, now I'll wash real quick. Perfect timing. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and brush our pieces here with our barbecue sauce. And don't worry about doing the underside until we flip them over. Okay, so now we are gonna get this into our preheated air fryer. So let's go ahead and go custom, and let's go up to 25 minutes at 380. And go. And we will put the other pan in right below it. And we may have to swap those in the middle. In fact, when it hits the midway mark, I'll go ahead and move these ones to the top and move those other ones to the bottom, just so I can ensure even cookage. And there we have it. Okay, so now we're gonna let that go for 25 minutes. At the halfway mark, I'm gonna go ahead and swap the 2 racks. When the 25 minutes is over, I will see you back here to turn them over and get more barbecue sauce on them and get them back in for another 12 to 20 minutes, or until the internal temperature reads about 145. So I'll be back here, not at the halfway mark because you don't need to see me mixing it up, but in 25 minutes to take them out, turn them over, and get them back in so you can see what they look like. All right, we'll be back. All right, the timer just went off, so let's turn these guys over. So let's start with the bottom ones first, which were the top ones, and check out how beautiful they look. All right, so let's turn these guys over, and we will brush it with our barbecue. And I'm gonna get this tray back into the bottom. All right, and here's the second tray, and we're gonna turn these ones over. And more barbecue. And now we will get them back in on the top, and we are gonna set our time for 15 minutes at 380. Now, halfway through this 15 minutes, I am going to swap racks. And then at the end of the 15 minutes, we are going to temp it and see if we have to add any more time. So we'll be back here when I'm ready to temp them, and I'll show you the results. See you soon. The timer has just gone off, so let's check the temp of our pork here. Oh, I can already tell you they look done. So let's see here. 165. So we are definitely done. Oh my goodness. Can you see how beautiful those look? Oh my word. That air fryer is going to be a mess to clean up, but check this out. Look at those amazing ribs done in the air fryer in just under 40 minutes. So now we must know how they taste. I mean, I already know how they taste, but I will show you how they taste. They are so tender and delicious. You ready? Can you see that? Nice and juicy meat. Oh, very hot. Ooh, very, very hot, but so good. Look at the juices on my fingers. Do you see that? What I love about this recipe is that I didn't have to go outside and I got barbecue results in my air fryer. Oh my goodness. So beautiful, so amazing. You need to try it. All right, you guys. Well, if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos several times a week, and I'm always looking for the next adventure. So if you have one for me, leave it in the comments below, because I love to adventure in all of the things, and maybe your suggestion will be my next video. All right, you guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye. Time for dinner.